What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Now as you can see that right here, I have a new USDT earning platform that can pay you up to 1.14 USDT every single day for free right there. Now as you can see that for me, I'm making about 1.14 USDT, and you can also go ahead and start for yourself with about 0.20 USDT every single day. Now as you can see, this site works on the basis of VIP levels, and there are very many levels of VIP, from the VIP 1, VIP 2, all the way to the bottom, which is the VIP 10. Now for the VIP 2, you'll be making about 7.41 USDT daily. For the VIP 3, you'll be making about 23.60 USDT every single day. So first thing, go ahead and sign up on this platform. And once you sign up with an email address, you can just go ahead and start doing the tasks right away. So for you to do the task, just click on this option right here where it's written task. Now once you click on it, it's just going to load you to this page right here, and all that you need to do is just click on this option where it says to complete. So once you click on it, it's just going to load for you while you are claiming the USDT right there. And there we go, you can see that our task has been completed successfully. So you can just come back after 24 hours and just go ahead and claim another free 1.14 USDT right there. Now if you want to go ahead and start doing this task, you need to go ahead and unlock your VIP level. Now for you to unlock the VIP 1, as for the VIP 0 is completely free, just go ahead and click on this option right here where it says recharge. So for you to unlock the VIP 1, you need to go ahead and recharge at least 6 USDT right there. So go ahead and put in either the USDT TRC20, TRX, USDT BEP20, or the BNB chain right there. Now once you click on the TRX, it's just going to load you to this page where you need to go ahead and scan the QR code or just copy out the wallet address. And once you've completed all of that, you can just go ahead and continue with the task right there, guys. Now once you've completed all of that, you can see that right now I have some balance in my account of which I can actually go ahead and withdraw. So just click on the withdraw option. Now you'll be taken to this page, and you can see that we have about 1.16 USDT that you can actually go ahead and withdraw. So just put in 1.16 right there. Now once you put in that, just put in a withdrawal address and a security password. So there we go, guys. I've been able to put in all the details correctly. So I will just click on confirm. Now it's going to load, and boom, guys. So there we go. You can see that our withdrawal has been successful. And what we're going to be doing right now is just head over back to our crypto wallet and actually check if the payment is actually going to arrive in right there. So here we go, guys. As you can see, I don't have any USDT as of right now. So what I will just need to do is keep refreshing this page until my payment arrives in right there. And once it arrives, you can actually go ahead and continue with this video right away. And boom, guys, so there we go. Now as you can see that as of right here, I was able to receive about 1.16 USDT in my crypto wallet right away. And this is the payment that I received from the site right now, guys. So the payment came in about 3 minutes later, and you can actually go ahead and start earning some free USDT on this platform and get paid within 3 minutes of request. So go ahead and sign up with the link in the video description or in the first pinned comment. Now once you go ahead and sign up, you can go ahead and start earning some free USDT every single day. You can even earn more by inviting friends. And once you do all the tasks correctly, you can just go ahead and put in a USDT TRC20 wallet address and request a payment for yourself right away, guys. So thank you for watching the video till the end, and let's meet in the very next video.